The Swatantraveer Savarkar Government Industrial Training Institute Nashik Strive project in assistance with the World Bank has been implemented in this institute. The Strive project has provided to be very beneficial to the overall development of the institute. According of the result area to the new high-tech courses, aeronautical structure and equipment fitter has been started. This trade has been started in this institute from August 2023. The course is started to fulfill the skilled manpower need of the aviation industry in the country. The aviation industry in the country has been rapidly growing. According to the estimate of the Dassault Aviation, the total manpower need of the industry is approximately 25,000 skilled manpower in the next 5 years. Therefore, after the completion of this course, the trainees will having a very promising career opportunity in the industry like Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Dassault Aviation and the other aviation related industries. New training facilities such as installation of new machineries has been provided. The different trade of upgraded in the institute: turner, computer operator, programming assistant, stenography and ITCSM courses. The turner trade 10 DRO machines are installed. The new DRO lathe machine are useful for improvement in accuracy and productivity. In computer operator and programming assistant trade, 7 new computers are installed. The training infrastructure facility has been improved. In stenography trade, 14 new computers are installed. Learning material NIMI books have been purchased for aeronautical structure and equipment fitter and turner trade. Smart classroom have been set in the institute. The smart classroom facility has helped in improvement in understanding the trade theory as well as the practical for the trainees. The institute has provided reimbursement of traveling to the female trainees for the actual expenditure done for the attending the training. The reimbursement was given according to the bus pass issued by the Transport Authority.
I am Pratiksha Prakash Gangurde. I am the student of electrician. I have taken admission in August 2023. I have been given reimbursement of traveling cost for my transport from home to my institute. The reimbursement has helped me to attend college regularly and reduce financial burden of my family. Thank you.
On-job training has been arranged every year for the trainees of various trades. The OJT has resulted in exposure of industrial environment, exposure to the industrial work culture and familiarization with the advanced technology and machinery, understanding the importance of quality control, productivity and safety. Total of 2,000 trainees complete the on-job training, and training of trainers has been given to the 12 crafts instructor.
My name is Mangesh Anil Khadse and I am a student of Aeronautical Structure and Equipment Fitter in Government Industrial Training Institute, Nashik. Also provides us various types of machines and instruments. Institute also sends us to Hindustan Aeronautical Limited for our on-job training. We have done their practical work on aircraft and gain lots of information about aircraft and aircraft industry also.
The various cultural and social programs are arranged: NSS camp, blood donation camp, tree plantation, road safety training, Swachhata Abhiyan and health checkup camps. The various types of lecturers are arranged and organized in the institute on advanced technology and advanced training from the time to time to the instructor and trainees. Thank you.